This is a ledger board that I'm inspecting for a friend of mine, which is holding up a deck. If you notice, the lag bolts are rusted out. In fact, they are practically 2 feet apart. There's the other one. So I use these structural screws instead. I alternate them up and down, and much closer to each other so that it'll be structurally sound. I even noticed the hangers, they only have like one nail in there and they're rusted out. So I'm gonna have to replace those as well. So these are the structural screws I use. They're expensive, but they're easily driven in with an impact gun, and they're just as strong as a lag bolt. So I hope this helps you out in case you want to secure your deck and have a couple more years of security depending on the age of your deck. Before you change it completely, this is the way to go to secure it in place. Thanks for watching.